Today, I'm in Wilstock Village, nestled on the outskirts of the popular market town of Bridgwater. I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this well-presented 4-bedroom detached family home, benefiting from a desirable corner plot, conveniently located within close proximity to the M5 motorway, and brought to the market with the added benefit of no onward chain. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe evaluation of your own property, then please do get in touch.